Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. In the vast digital world, there are countless opportunities to generate income, and we're here to shed light on them. In this episode, we'll be focusing on 5 proven ways that can help you start making money online. These methods are designed to be beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you're just dipping your toes into the online money-making pool. So, are you ready to explore? Today, we'll dive into 5 proven ways to start making money online, even for beginners. Ready to dive in? First of all, freelancing. It's a world where your skills are your passport to income. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or any other professional, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can be your gateway to a global clientele. Imagine this. You are at your desk or perhaps at a coffee shop working on a project for a client halfway across the globe. You're not just earning money, you're building a portfolio, honing your skills, and expanding your professional network. Starting out may seem daunting. You're competing against a sea of other freelancers, some of whom may have years of experience under their belts. But don't let that deter you. Every expert was once a beginner. Create your profile, highlight your skills and experiences, and start bidding on jobs that align with your expertise. Remember, it's not just about winning a bid, it's about delivering quality work, meeting deadlines, and exceeding client expectations. As you complete more jobs and gather positive feedback, you'll start to build your reputation. Your star rating will rise, and so can your rates. Over time, you might find yourself becoming a sought-after freelancer in your field, with clients coming to you instead of the other way around. Freelancing allows you to turn your skills into a profitable online business. It's not just about making money. It's about freedom, flexibility, and the thrill of charting your own course. So are you ready to dive into the world of freelance? And next up is affiliate marketing. This powerful strategy allows you to earn from promoting other people's products. You see, companies, big and small, offer affiliate programs where they pay you a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Now, you might be wondering, how do you get started? Well, programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank make it easy. Simply sign up, choose products you believe in, and start promoting. They provide you with unique links that track any sales made through your referrals. But where do you share these links? Great question. You can share them on your blog, in your YouTube video descriptions, or across your social media platforms. You can even incorporate them into your email newsletters. The key is to weave these links naturally into valuable content. That way, your audience sees them as helpful resources, not just sales pitches. Keep in mind, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a knack for understanding what your audience truly needs and wants. But once you get the hang of it, the rewards can be substantial. So why not give affiliate marketing a try? It's an excellent way to leverage your online presence and create a stream of passive income. Remember, the more valuable content you create, the more opportunities you have to include affiliate links, and the more potential earnings you can generate. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income online. Another great way to make money online is by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. This method is perfect for those who have a specific area of expertise that others may want to learn about. Whether you're a whiz at web design, a master of meditation, or a pro at playing the piano, there's someone out there who would love to learn from you. Creating an online course isn't as daunting as it may seem. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera allow you to structure your course into bite-sized lessons. You can add quizzes, downloadable resources, and even a certificate of completion. On the other hand, if writing is more your style, why not create an ebook? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing makes it easy to publish your own ebook and reach a global audience. So how do you get started? First, choose your subject matter. It should be something you're knowledgeable about and passionate about sharing. Then plan your course or ebook structure. Break it down into manageable sections or chapters and make sure to include practical exercises or examples where possible. Once you've created your course or ebook, it's time to upload it to your chosen platform. Ensure your title and description are clear and enticing. Use keywords that potential students or readers might use when searching for a course or ebook like yours. But don't stop there. To make money, people need to know about your course or ebook. That's where marketing comes in. Promote your course or ebook through social media, your own website, or even through email marketing. Remember to highlight the benefits and practical applications of your course or ebook to attract potential customers. A key to success in this area is to continually update and improve your courses or ebooks based on feedback from your students or readers. This will not only ensure you provide the best value, but it will also help you maintain a high rating on your chosen platform. Selling online courses and ebooks is a fantastic way to share your expertise and earn income. So why wait? Start sharing your knowledge with the world today. Next on the list is dropshipping. This online business model allows you to sell products without ever having to stock an item. In traditional retail, you buy items in bulk, store them, and then ship them out when customers make a purchase. But with dropshipping, you're essentially a middleman between the customer and the supplier. When a customer buys a product from your online store, you then purchase the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. You can focus on what you do best, marketing your products and providing excellent customer service. And setting up a dropshipping business is easier than you might think. Platforms like Shopify make it straightforward to create your online store. With intuitive tools and templates, you can have your store up and running in a matter of hours. But what about finding products to sell? That's where Oberlo comes in. Oberlo is a marketplace that connects Shopify store owners with suppliers who provide a wide range of goods, from fashion and beauty products to electronics and home decor. There's a world of products at your fingertips. Once you've set up your store and selected your products, it's all about driving traffic to your website. This is where your marketing skills come into play. Use social media, SEO, and email marketing to reach your target audience and draw them to your store. And remember, dropshipping is all about customer service. Even though you're not handling the products yourself, you're still responsible for the customer experience. So make sure you're responsive to customer inquiries, handle returns promptly, and do everything you can to ensure your customers are satisfied. Dropshipping is a low-risk way to start an online business without holding inventory. With the right approach, you can create a successful online store that brings in a steady stream of income. Last but not least is selling stock photography. This avenue of online income generation is particularly appealing to those with a knack for capturing the world through the lens of a camera. But what exactly does it entail? Well, selling stock photography involves providing high quality photos to be used by businesses, bloggers, advertisers, and media outlets worldwide. The beauty of this method is that your photos can generate income for you time and time again as they are sold to multiple customers. This is possible through platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. These sites act as middlemen, hosting your images and allowing customers to purchase them for their specific needs. The process is quite straightforward. Once you've taken your photos, you upload them onto the platform, but don't just stop there. To increase the visibility of your images, you'll want to optimize your listings. This involves adding relevant keywords and descriptions that potential buyers might use when searching for images. The more accurately you can describe your photos, the higher the chances they'll pop up in a search. And there you have it. With some creativity, a keen eye for detail, and a bit of patience, you can start earning from your photography skills. Stock photography is a great way for photographers to earn royalties on their work. So there you have it, 5 proven ways to start making money online today. We've journeyed through the world of freelancing, discovered the potential of affiliate marketing, and delved into the creation of online courses and ebooks. We've also explored the innovative realm of dropshipping and the artistic avenue of stock photography. Each of these methods offers a unique opportunity to build an income stream from the comfort of your own home. It's all about finding what suits your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Remember, the online world is vast, and these are just a few of the countless ways to tap into its potential. So don't hesitate. Start your online money-making journey today. Apply these strategies, and before you know it, you'll be reaping the rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.